Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature one of the hottest new trends, and that is the volumized blowout, also known as the 90s style blowout. So with this particular trend, you are going to instantly add some volume to your hair. So what you want to do is blow dry your hair, and you're also going to proceed to curl the hair. You can do pen curls as well, and then you're going to use magnetic style rollers or mesh rollers in order to hold the curl. Then you are going to comb the curls out and you will have beautiful volumized hair. Another way that you can create some volume in your hair is through the use of layers. So we are seeing a lot of that layered look heading into 2023. This can be done with curtain style bangs or also just the 90s style butterfly layered look. And you can do this yourself if you think that you are able to create enough layers within your hair, or you can of course go to a stylist and do it as well. So if you want to see some of the different ways that you can create volume and texture within your hair, be sure to watch the rest of this video. It just showcases a lot of girls and women doing this technique in order to create beautiful volumized hair. If you guys do feel inspired by this video, please be sure to like it and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends.